Dear sisters and brothers, in these final days of, as we try to anticipate, as we are trying to get closer to the commemoration of the Christmas Day, during Vespers, kanang evening prayers, there is what we call antiphons. Antiphons. And based on my reading, it starts today until the 23rd or 24th day of December. Somehow, these antiphons are in connection to the messianic longings. We long for a Messiah that has this kind of character or attitude. For today, there is what we call sapiencia, wisdom. Today, again, the antiphon intended for today, 17th of December, wisdom. And from that messianic longing that this Messiah is the wisdom or has this kind of wisdom, I connect it with the gospel reading today, the genealogy. And so I ask, what's the wisdom behind having such a genealogy? Why do God chose this kind of lineage? What's the wisdom? In our case, our family tree, what's the wisdom of having that kind of family tree? Why do I have that kind of generation? What's the wisdom behind these things? When I really ponder, there is a close connection with this list of names, regarding the family background of the Messiah, Jesus, the Christ. And connecting it with the kind of family tree that you and I have as well. There is a very, very good invitation that we seek wisdom. Dili unta ang atong immediate nga rason, mura bitaw atong i-reject. Mura bitaw gilasanta, mura tag kiwawan nga muhisgot kung diin tagikan. Uy, ato ning parente. Pero kung nanay mga bati o kinaiya, uy, di mi anak kaliwat. Pero kung popular na kaayo, si winner sa The Voice, bududa ko, maski mo ingon lang tagamisamis na, oy, amo nang kaliwat. Naipag-angkon if good ang maong reputation nga nahatag aning apeliduha, kini nga pariente. But if not, and that's the case of the genealogy of Jesus, dili limpyo, dili perfecto, dili perfect family tree. What's the wisdom that I have this kind, that I am a product of this generation? Sometimes ikaulaw, di ta kakita, nganong diha ka ko nahimugso na linyada. Maunang nanay panagtapok, nanay murag reunion, ani nga clan, nay uban kayo imbitaron, kay naagay mga kaligut-gut. Because we don't see wisdom. We somehow easily driven to the kind of pagpangluod. We somehow reject or being rejected. I don't feel welcomed. There's the wisdom. And para di na kini mataas ning waliha. One of the wisdom, a product of my prayer, brothers and sisters. Natakdo lang sa ni sa interview ni Boy Abunda tinga itong Gerald Anderson. Niya si Gerald Anderson, niingon gipangutana siya, what was the great life lesson nga imong nakatunan? Like that, no? Then in reference to a woman sa iyang kinabuhi. Kinsa kuno nga babae, mo ni. Kinsa nga babae nga imong nga nakakatun jud ka great life lesson. Di lang ako itugan ang babay, ang iyang gitubag, nganong kaning babayhana, tungod kay gitudluan si Gerald Anderson, aning babayhana, not forget his early beginnings. Somehow, naaana nga unod ang ako na pamalandungan that the past that we have, our past, should never determine our future. Because there is, in our future, it is not being determined by the past. Pero usahay, si tao mahigot sa past. But the line or the wisdom that I see is that the past, despite the background that we have, should never determine the future. Because that's the very genealogy of Jesus. From that not so good characters, not so good kind of family background, but the Messiah still decided to be born. Diyan lang sa kukutob. Oh, wisdom. We may find wisdom in our respective family backgrounds, in our family tree, in our own genealogy.